Hi, for today's video, we are reviewing the BedStory 2-inch queen topper, so foam topper. You guys can pick, queen or whatever size from Amazon listing. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you what you get. So this is it. I recommend you opening it up on your bed because it's going to expand as soon as air gets inside. So I recommend laying it out on your bed. Okay, so when you open it, it's gonna look like it's a single, but don't let that fool you. It's just double folded. That's why I say to open it up on your bed, because it's really gonna expand. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now, I will point out, it does have a very strong smell, and that's actually normal for memory foam pillows, memory foam mattresses, and so forth. So, because it has such a strong smell, we're not going to put it on quite yet. We're going to go and set it in another room. I would say probably for about 4 or 5 days before we actually start using it. But I just want to show you. Look at this. It is extremely soft already. And it also does take time to fully swell up. It's definitely going to make a huge difference with comfort. Oh my word. This is like laying on clouds. Oh my word. It's so soft, it just smells. But again, that's normal. We've had memory foam stuff, tons of stuff, and that's they all smell like that. The real memory foam, actually. The fake stuff, no, the fake stuff doesn't work. I love how it molds to your body though. So we're gonna let it air off and we'll use it, but I can already tell you right now, I have reviewed 7 different memory foam mattresses, probably 5 different pillow tops, 6 memory foam toppers, and I'm telling you guys right now, this one is definitely in the top 3 because you can definitely already tell, and it's not fully swelled up yet. It's going to swell up a little bit more. So, very impressed.